Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set WhatsApp on your computer. So for you to do that, you have to tap your window icon on the screen, or you can simply tap the window button on the keyboard. Then once you do that, then you search for WhatsApp using your search bar, or it's among the listed ones on the front window, no problem, but you can just simply search. You can see right here, open. Then you get started. You can see right here, to start WhatsApp on your computer, here are the few tips. So then if you're using iPhone or Android, these are the setup. Then you go to, if it's for Android, you go to your settings, and for iPhone also, you go to this particular icon, which is the gear button. Then once you do that, then you link your device, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to link my device right now. So on your iPhone, then once you open your iPhone, your WhatsApp on your iPhone, you tap the gear button. Once you do that on your iPhone, then you tap at the option called link devices. Once you do that, it's going to tap at link devices. Then once you do that, then you're going to scan this barcode. This barcode right here, you place it at your phone camera. Then once you place it, your camera at the barcode, then it's going to download your insert message on your WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, like and follow.